Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this extremely scrumptious, very moist carrot cake. Into a sifter we're going to add in the plain flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, a pinch of salt, the cinnamon, and the nutmeg. Then simply sift together into the bowl. Into a separate bowl we're going to add in the white and the brown sugar, the vanilla, the almond milk, the applesauce, and the yogurt. Then give that a good mix together to combine. Next, we're going to grate some carrot and set it to one side. Now we're going to add in about half of the wet mixture into the dry mixture, just gently folding it through. We're then going to add in the second half of the wet mixture and gently fold it through. Give the mixture a quick whisk to get rid of any lumps. Then to that we're going to add in the carrot and the walnuts. Then again, just gently fold them through the mixture until well combined. Simply pour the mixture into a pre-lined cake tin. Gently smooth over the top and give it a little shake to even it all out. Then into the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. When the skewer comes out clean, then you know it's done. Let it cool in the tin for about 10 to 15 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. For the cream cheese frosting, we're going to add a tub of vegan cream cheese into a bowl, adding in some softened butter, some vanilla, and some lemon juice. And give that a good mix together until everything is well combined and the mixture is nice and creamy. Then, adding 1 cup at a time, we're going to add in the icing sugar, giving it a good mix in between. Then all that's left to do is smother the top of the cake with our cream cheese frosting. and top it off with some chopped up walnuts. And then it's ready to be sliced up. Yum! It's so super soft and moist. It's absolutely delicious. I'm going to put it out there. It's probably the best vegan carrot cake I've ever made. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you like this recipe, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye!